Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Scorpions for the month of September 2020, and this reading includes your all 4 weeks of September. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpions, so this is your energy this week, that is the Nine of Swords. I don't know what is happening because this card has come in all the zodiacs till now. So I think everybody is going through that phase of overthinking. So this energy is similar for you also. You are overthinking a lot about certain things, maybe something which has happened in past and that was little painful and it gave you stress, and you don't want the similar things to happen because you have gone through that bad phase since for a very long time. So it is difficult for you to even think about something good right now. So this kind of energy will be there for this month. You have to be little careful for your health also, and if you believe that there is a need to talk to someone close to you, then you should talk to someone. Moving towards your first week, it is the Two of Swords reverse, the Empress, and the Two of Cups reverse. So there is a lot of uncertainty in the first week. There is lack of clarity. What you might feel that whatever decisions you have taken in life are somehow they have not been favorable, and you might be feeling little weak. You also need to take care of your health here. Emotionally you might be feeling little weak. You can have little some conflicts with your partner, and you had thought that person to be a soulmate, but unfortunately the things did not work out. That person is not someone whom you had thought him or her to be. This if romantic relationship is not there, and then it can be a business partner also, so that you have to figure out. It will be different for different people. And before moving towards the future weeks, other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, so moving towards the second week, it shows the Three of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles reversed. So the second week seems to be a little good. You are expecting something good. You have been working hard, and there could be some kind of collaboration. There could be you might be working in a team. It could be some celebration also. It could be a family affair. It could be at your work also. And because of whatever is happening here, it is making your other areas of life difficult to work with. I mean, what I'm trying to say here is, for example, if you have a function or celebration in your family, so you won't be able to pay that much attention to your work. So this might happen in the second week, though it's a happy moment also, but it kind of make you a little difficult to manage things at both the aspects. Could be personal or professional, or two different projects, or whatever. So basically this is how your second week going to be. You also need to take care of your finances here, because I think because of this celebration you might spend a lot of money, so you have to be a little careful with your expenditure. In the third week, it is the Two of Wands reversed, Knight of Pentacles reversed, and the Nine of Pentacles. So this shows me that whatever you are working towards is somehow not clear. So you cannot make long-term goals. You will just make the immediate goals, and you are planning to move towards something, but that your destination is not clear. You're just moving. There could be a little bit of instability, because you do not know exactly where you are ahead, where you are going, but there will be little bit of instability in your mind. You will be making short-term goals rather than the long-term goals. But let me tell you, whatever you will be doing is going to be beneficial for you. So money wise, I think the third week of September is going to be really, really good. Moving towards the fourth week, it is the Five of Swords reversed, Eight of Swords reversed, and the Magician. So this shows me that, because of your skills, because of your competence, you will be able to do something which is going to make you free from all the sadness or bad things that you had gone through, from the trap with the mental trap which was there, and you are going to broaden up your horizons, you are going to broaden up your views. And anybody who had either backstabbed you in your recent past, that person is also going to the karma is going to give that person the answer. So your manifestation, your good work, your karma, all the good things that you have done till now is going to start giving you rewards in the 4th week of September. Yeah, so that was about it. If you still have any doubt or you want to go for the personal reading, please write down in the comment box. We also do the daily readings. For that, you can follow us on Instagram. Link is given in the description box. So all the best.